Hey guys, today we are going to go over another database in the Mesquite ISD portal under the Library Services tab. The database that we are going to do today is Gale Kids InfoBits. The Gale Kids InfoBits database is available to all students in grades kindergarten through 5th grade in elementary. The purpose of this database is it wants to give kids a little bit of information. It will pull information from different sources. It's not like some of our databases that you know it's coming from a magazine or a book per se. This one gives them a wide variety of different types of sources. So when you go to the home page, it looks like this, and it's already populated with different topics. And if your students don't really know what they're searching for and they just know like, oh, I need to pick an animal and I want to go in there and search, they can click on animals. So when it brings it up, it usually brings them into more subheadings below. And after you get to the meat of it, where it's going to share the articles, it's basically going to show the kids all the different animals that are available under that topic. If they click on the speaker button, it will read the title to them. If they don't need that option and they just want to find the information about hummingbirds, they can go click on hummingbirds and it will take them to the different resources. So you're going to notice for hummingbirds, it shows that there's 5 books available, 6 pictures, 46 magazines, and 2 news articles. Sometimes I've noticed as I've done other searches, there might only be books or magazine articles available. You're not necessarily guaranteed all these different forms of information. There's also content types over here on the other column. If a student is really just interested in checking out the books, they can click on the books and it will bring up all 5 books and it will take away the other ones. If they search through them and they realize like, oh, these books aren't, hitting the spot that I need for the information, they can go back up top and click on hummingbirds and it will bring up all the other topics again. I'm going to be 100% honest. It can be hit or miss within this database. And I say that because there have been times that I have opened up a book looking for a little bit of information and it doesn't give any information. It just references the book where I can go get that book and find the information. Whereas other times I've clicked on the book and it actually gives me the content that I need. And I've noticed the same thing in magazines, that sometimes it will give me the magazine article and other times it's just referencing the article. So, be careful in here because it can be hit or miss at times. But I'll be honest, like I'm more successful and get most of the content versus not getting a lot of the content. So this is good if you're wanting kids to explore different magazine articles or books or whatever for their information. So there's always a source citation down at the bottom. And there is a translation feature so kids can come over here and pick the language that they want to translate it into. They also, if they're going into this database and they know what they're wanting to search for, they can just type it in. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Rubik's Cube. And when I type in Rubik's Cube, it's going to show me I have 8 articles about it in magazines. I have 6 different news feeds for it. So, this is very, very helpful if your kids already know. And you'll notice that it says these are brief articles. These are articles. So it kind of gives the kids just some more information about what they're looking at. So this is Kids InfoBits. It's a really great database, and like I said, the purpose of it is to give kids a little bit of information about what they are searching on. And I hope you find this helpful, and if you need any help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day. Bye.